Hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have decided to join me this evening for my Tickled Tuesday video. I decided to do something a little different today, and that is we're going to take a look at the August Paper Pumpkin Kit. All right, and it is called Time for Cake. And there were 3 different cards and patterns that you could make. This was one of them, the Make-A-Wish. Looks like a little gift package there. It's Time for Cake and Happy Birthday. All right. Now, what I decided to do for this week's video is I'm going to show you some alternative ways that you can use all of the products in this kit and make different cards, not just what they show you in the kit. All right, so these are the 3 that they have in the kit to show you what to do. And these are some that I had put together myself. I did that one, a happy birthday one with some candles. And then I did a hooray with the different balloons. And then we're going to do this one for our video. All right. And I'm going to start by stamping my tag here, and I'm using Night of Navy ink. I'm going to make sure I get enough on here. All right. And then I'm going to put the number 5 right there for a 5-year-old. And if you want it a little darker, if it's not dark enough for you, you can always take the Night of Navy marker and color it in there and make it darker. All right, then what I did is I took out this folded card that you see here. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. I have to dig it out of my box here. Let's see. This is what it looks like all together before it gets folded up. And what I did is I took one and I cut all the sections where they folded. I cut this, well, I didn't cut all of them completely. There's a cut here and a fold here, fold here, fold here. And instead of, I cut here and I cut here so that I got this piece. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this around this way. And I'm going to string this through here. And we're going to say that this card is for a 5-year-old. And I don't want to pull it too tight or it'll make my piece curl. And then I'm going to make this bow right here. Oh, I pulled too far. Let's try that again. Doesn't want to cooperate with me. All right, I got to do this first. I have to think about what I'm doing here. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. Now I've got it there. And I'm going to twist this around to make my other bow. And get it through the right spot. We'll be doing good. Thread is so close to the end there. No, that's not going to work because my one side is just way too short. All right, let's try this. A little closer this way. Well, it doesn't want me to grab the part that I need. There we go. There we go. That's better. All right, and then we'll just pull it in a little bit. And I'm going to trim off this end, the ends, so that they don't have all that fray. There we go. And then what I'm going to do, now I can use my multi-purpose glue and just glue that on. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these dimensionals and I'm going to pop it up. So I'm going to catch the corners first. All right, we're just going to put a bunch of these buggers on so it stands up really good. Oh my goodness. There we go. Well, I trust you are all doing good today. We have a bit of a summer going on this week. It's in the 80s, so that's nice. It hasn't been too unbearable, which is good. All righty. And there we go. That's the third card. I'm also going to add here a couple more dimensionals, and we're going to add a candle to this. Come on, I don't want that part on. There we go. Mm-hmm. Let's see. And we'll just go like that. Maybe make it a little straighter. There we go. And there's my 5-year-old card. All right, so these are, let me get this out of the way so I can lay it all up there for you. These are the cards that the kit shows you to make. And these are the alternatives that were made. Okay, there you go. And it's a lot of fun to do it that way when you can just look at the supplies and what's in your kit and then go, I wonder what else I could do. It's a lot of fun, and I challenge you to go ahead and do that. Alrighty, let me pull these down just a little bit so you can see them all. Okay. All right. Now, That was August paper pumpkin. September paper pumpkin, today's the last day to order it. So if you want it, you got to get your order in right away before midnight tonight. All right. And then the next paper pumpkin that is coming out is our holiday one. And I'm just going to switch slides here real quick. There we go. This is our holiday greetings paper pumpkin that will be coming out, and the offer will be until the end of October, till the 10th of October. The great thing about it is if you are a new subscriber, you get 40% off of your first month when you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. That's a great deal. And you just have to use that code, holiday40, at paperpumpkin.com. So you'll just go to paperpumpkin.com, do your subscription, use that holiday40 code, and you will have 40% off your first subscription. All right. So there are great things and fun things that can be done with these paper pumpkins, and I invite you to join. Put me down as your demonstrator so that if there are any questions or anything, they can contact me, or you can contact me, and we'll get everything done and put in place. All right. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. You have a fantastic weekend. I will see you on Sunday for my Simple Sunday video. Bye now.